Chapter 3: Drawing Shapes and Text in Pygame 0. 2. How to draw circle.
How can I draw a circle?
You can draw a circle using the screen.draw.circle method. The screen.draw.circle method can draw the circle in the window. You can define the center, the radius, and the color of the circle with the screen.draw.circle method. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code draws a circle using the screen.draw.circle method. Parameter 1 defines the center of the circle in coordinates. Parameter 2 defines the radius of the circle. Parameter 3 defines the color of the circle's line. Let's run this code. The red line circle is drawn in the window.